nice day outside. Got this wall right here. Get that sound to echo for you guys. Kind of sounds like a 2J in my opinion, you know? Maybe. Let me know in the comments down below. Turbo flutter go crazy. Yellow light. I'll do a little quick takeoff at this one. I'll kind of roll through the gears a little bit so y'all can hear it. All the way down the first with it. We rolling through them gears. We gotta be smooth over here. It's that new development, so gotta be smooth. We'll take it cool right here. Take it cool, we'll take it cool. Oh yeah, two boys right there. Two boys right there. If y'all saw that. When you drive a fast car, you gotta have like hawk vision. Oh no, eagle vision, because you gotta be able to see stuff from so far away. Check your surroundings like crazy, because I could have just been going crazy right there, obviously tapping out almost, and there was two sheriffs right there. So definitely got to be cool when you're driving a fast car. You can't just be going crazy 24/7. See, if I would have went crazy for y'all would have seen a whole different side. So yeah, we cool. Green light, green light. Right now we're headed to River Road. It's this back road right here along the river. It's super nice along the Sacramento River. Super nice. I used to come over here back in the day. If you guys watch some of my early videos, this is where a lot of my videos actually took place, is over here. Yeah, the speed comes on real quick over here, so. Got a mail truck in front of us, see if we can catch it. Oh, we caught it. Turn around, but I think there's a bridge up here that we'll cross. I think, but I don't know how far it is up. I forgot how far it is. It's been a while since I've been over here. This is like my OG spot. Oh, sun just came out. They got some brewskis over here, eh? Brewskis. Right here looks, honestly, this would be a perfect like kicking spot, honestly. Look at that. Little small town. This is where you catch me right here. Be going too crazy on these back roads. Y'all know that, man. I ain't trying to end up off the road, man. And I have no, my tires are done. I'm gonna pull over in a second so I can show you guys the car. But my tires are completely gone right now. So you can see there's no guardrail, no nothing. you crash the car, you ended up over there or in the water. So yeah, you guys can understand. I'm gonna give you guys these turbo noises though. A house? Dang, that house is nice. Oh my gosh. Oh, there we go. Just arrived to my haircut appointment. Show you guys the car a little bit, little walk around. There's my barber right there. He running a little late, he said. But here she is. Got that single exit. Got the drag pack. If you guys haven't watched the previous videos, I did crack my hood, so we are looking for a new hood. New grill is coming, and I'm smelling coolant, and I don't know if you guys can see I've been messing with my coolant. I have been having like coolant leaks and stuff. So, but here's the car. Quick little walk around for you guys. I'm gonna go inside real quick, get my hair lined up. You know what I'm saying? Gotta look fresh. You know what I'm saying? So, fresh cut, please.